Assalamu alaikum everyone. All right, moment of truth. Right now, we're going to get to know, is BONK really interested to go back up? Is Bitcoin really interested to go back up? Which I think they are, okay? And Bitcoin is back to the retest zone. BONK is down to the retest zone. Everything right now is retesting. And I'm going to tell you what I mean by this. So if you go and if we start off with Bitcoin, then you have Bitcoin, as I told you before when I compared Bitcoin to BONK. So you have the downtrend, you have the break above, you're coming down. The retest here, you still have 1 hour 29 minutes to close this candle. So in the next 1 hour 29 minutes, we still need to know how this candle is going to close. Let's just hope you go back up and close above this line like this, and you start to push back up. And if you make it to 62,000, your retest is done. That's my opinion. Your retest is going to be done. So back into the the BONK update, and I show you BONK here. So that's retest example related to Bitcoin, and this is a retest example related to BONK. So you have the resistance, the break above coming down, and is this going to be a successful retest? Are we going to see BONK holding its nerves right over here, or is it just going to go below 2328? I think if you start to go below 23, or let's just say 2300, somewhere right over here, maybe your retest is going to fail. And if Bitcoin goes to 58k, your retest fails as well. So that's all for the video. And yes, if you make a successful retest, your first target is 3325, right? Let's hope you do it. And also second one is 4074. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one in the office.